Yep, it's out of juice after 30 minutes.
Oh, I can't say.
Why don't you see if Aunt Carolyn's online?
I don't want to.
Oh, it came up.
What you got there, Courtney?
Here you
It
go.
won't come off.
Give her the new one.
Where is it?
Oh. She's done stuck 3 of them on you.
You just now noticed? That's slow. You got a kick me sign on the back.
You should feel honored. Look at Courtney. She's got stickers all over her back. She thinks she can walk.
I know, she's trying, and she
Wonder if I got it.
she don't like it. I don't want you. Here comes the monster baby.
Oops, something's on my leg.
I
Somebody spilled potatoes all over the floor.
Who that was?
Oh, it was an accident, okay? You go, baby. You go, Chelsea. There you go.
I'll put it on Courtney.
Oh, don't